Hey, I'm Chizaban. This is the Basketball Lab where we talk about reward finance and encourage creating wealth fearlessly. Today, let's talk about something most creators and small business owners overlook or don't even think about, and that is business credit. What if I told you it is possible to build wealth and grow your business without using your personal credit at all? Let's dive in. Let's start with why business credit is a wealth tool. It allows you access to funding and financing, but also separate from your personal finances. That is often the reason those who know about business credit, the reason why they do not use it or do not think about it is because of the worry that accessing business credits will affect their personal credits or their personal score. But with business credit, if you set things up right, you can access funding and it also protects your personal score, especially during the early business growth. As your business is growing, your business is still small, it's developing, you can access funding while also protecting your personal score. And as your business grows, just like with your personal credit, as your business profile strengthens, you can get better financing options. And this helps to open the door to scaling, acquiring assets, leveraging cash flow for investment, and many other things involved with your business. So the question then is, how can you effectively separate your personal and your business credit? Well, there are a couple of things you need to do, starting with setting up your business properly. You need to create an identity for your business, establish a business entity. Businesses are often viewed as separate entities from their owners, depending on the entity you choose. You want to make sure you establish a business entity. If you're just starting out, started as an LLC, eventually you want to consider S Corp or even a C Corp. If that is something you choose to do during those times, make sure you do research to make sure you understand the tax ramifications and legal requirements for those business entities. But you need to register your business in a state. Has to be officially registered. You want to get the business EIN from the IRS. The EIN is kind of like your social security number, but a tax identification number for the business. And then open a separate business account. You cannot mingle your personal and your business finances. Your business has to have its own financial history. Open a business account. If you are able to, most open a business credit card as well. Most banks that will offer a business account will also offer an accompanying credit card. If you're a business that is just starting out, the limit on a credit card might be very low, but that's okay. That's part of establishing a credit profile for your business. Then you want to make sure you are listed and verified with business credit agencies. So the way we have TransUnion and Experian for personal finances, business credit also has its own agencies. So DMB is a very common one. Experian Bees is another one. And I will put links to these business credit directories below. So make sure your business is listed, make sure your business is registered with them. You want to make sure your business name and address across all platforms are the same. I've seen businesses where on one platform they will put LLC at the end of it, on the other platform they will not. On one they'll put INC, on the other one they'll be not, and then there'll be different addresses. You want to make sure your business name is standard and the same. If you are registering with multiple agencies, it's really important that your business name be the same, your address be the same so that it matches. And then when you've done those two things, the final step is to start with vendor accounts. If the bank you have bank or financial institution you have opened a business account with is not able to offer you a business credit card, no matter how low the limit for your business, start with vendor accounts. Like for office supplies, Uline or Quill or Granger, They will allow you to open a vendor account with credit. Again, it might be very, very little. Net 30 accounts with them. So you're able to buy something today and they give you 30 days to pay. I know pens.com also offers that. So those are companies to look into. And other vendors use, maybe not service providers, but look around for vendors you may use that will allow you to open a net 30 account. And then you want to make sure you pay your invoices on time. This is because you want to build your PAYDEX score. Your PAYDEX score, a simple way to think about it, is more or less just your business credit score. So the same way you have a FICO score for your personal credit, the business has a PAYDEX score. And just like with your personal FICO score, the PAYDEX score indicates or reflects a business's past performance payment. So that's why when you start these vendor accounts, you want to make sure that you are paying your invoices on time. And you can review your business's PAYDEX score by purchasing a credit monitoring solution. DMB is good for that. And I will put some resources in the description below to help you navigate that. All right, let's talk about some business credit mistakes to avoid. Again, like I mentioned, you need to not mix personal and business expenses or mix personal and business finances. It is very important that they be separate and live separately, not only because you want to build both your personal and your business credit score or credit history, but again, come tax time and in the case of an audit, it makes things less complicated, very clear, and very transparent on what's business and what is personal. Just like with your personal credit score, you do not want to apply for credit too early. If you apply for credit too early, it will ding against the business credit history and you will most likely not qualify for anything. You also do not want to apply for credit too many times at once. Like with a personal credit, you're not advised to say put in 10, 15 application within a 2 week period. That is a lot. Same thing with the business credit. You want to make sure that you are not applying for credit too frequently. Also, do not ignore your business credit score. As conscious and as mindful as we are about our personal credit scores, your business PAYDEX score and your business credit score is really important as well. So, where do you check your business credit score? I've talked about Dun and Bradstreet. There is NAV, Experian Business, Equifax, Small Business, CreditSafe. These are really great options and good places to go. Again, register and register your business and sign up with, and they will help you to check your business credit score. So now that we've talked about that, something to keep in mind, business credit is one of the most underused wealth tools for digital entrepreneurs, for creators, even for brick and mortar entrepreneurs if you have a store, just for business owners, period. It is one of the most underused wealth tools. So if you're ready to build business credit the right way, go through the steps that we've talked about. Sign up your business for on some of these business credit score sites that we have discussed. There will be links below. And do not forget to link and subscribe on this channel, to like, to share, and subscribe for more world building tips. Please share this video with someone starting a business or who is going to benefit from it. Wish you the best in all that you do. Go forth and create wealth fearlessly.